Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play a game in the Twist application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And in order to start the game, just tap anywhere on the screen. So the aim of this game is to try to keep the ball on these blocks by tapping on either the left or the right side of the screen, depending on where the block takes place. And it's a bit difficult, so it definitely takes a few tries to get used to it, but you can just retry, and if you're willing to be patient, it will be good. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.